Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Influenster VoxBox I just received right now, literally in the mail. I just went downstairs and it finally arrived. So yeah, let's get down to it. Okay, so I think this is the Herbal Essence. I think it was the shampoo they're supposed to be coming in. Yep. Okay, it says, congratulations, you're in the Herbal Essence VoxBox. Woo! Are you ready for the hair that smells as good as it feels? Try out the products you received in your Herbal Essence VoxBox and tell us what you think by completing your brand page. Herbal Essence has collections for all hair types, so you will be sure to find the perfect match. Check out herbalessence.com to learn more about the products that you received in your VoxBox. Get started. Blah, blah, blah. And these are the different kinds they got. Which one did I get? Okay. This box was heavy. But, okay, so I think I got two in the middle or something. Put this aside. Okay, so the first one is the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Bourbon Manuka Honey Shampoo. Okay. Cool. Awesome. I love Herbal Essence products. Their hair products, well, the shampoos I use smell so good. No, this is not sponsored, obviously. I'm a nobody. But yeah. Okay, and this is the conditioner. Right. Okay. Alright, I got these two. So that is this one's not here. Or am I blind? Yeah. This one smells good. Cucumber and green tea, that sounds like it smells good. Well, they all sound like they smell good, especially the green tea, the argan oil one, the coconut milk, and the rice milk one. Yeah. I'd like to try those too. I guess they're probably for, different hair types, maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah, loading the influencer profile, checking your VoxBox, so I'll be definitely trying this. Oh god, I just took a shower this morning. I guess I'll be taking a shower again. Yep. So yeah, I got these two products, and oh my god, my neighbors are loud. Shut up. But yeah, anything else in the box? No, just tissue paper. But yeah, if you guys want to get your own VoxBox, I have a my referral link down in the description box. If you click it, if I remember correctly, if you click on someone's referral link, you get extra points for earning your first VoxBox. So yeah, yeah. I guess this was my little unboxing of the new VoxBox from Herbal Essence. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to review, hit the like button, and I'll be sharing my honest opinion, a real honest opinion about it. I think it's gonna take me a couple showers, because you can't just take one shower and say, oh my god, this product is so amazing, you know? I'm not one of those YouTubers that already get so much sponsors and stuff like that and say, yeah, I love this product. But yeah, I'm gonna like, I'll probably starting next week, I'll start using this product, the Herbal Essence Bio Renew products, and then the next week I'll give you my honest opinion. And if you wanted to see on this channel, let me know, comments below, and also give me a thumbs like, you know, hit the like button. Or if you want to see it on a personal channel, or let me know if you guys want to actually just an review about it, which will be this type of style video, or an actual me showing you face to face what I like about the product. And yeah, so I remember when I got the survey to get VoxBox in the mail, I started getting, since you started doing being more active on my Influenster account, you know, I started getting more surveys on to to get this one. They were asking me like what kind of hair type I had. Is it oily? Is it dry? Or you know, things like that about your hair. And I got put in to get the Herbal Essence Bio Renew shampoo. So yeah, I'll be showing you in my honest opinion of this product starting next week. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my personal channel. Well, that channel is it's kind of like me and my friends. Like we're going to be doing, you know, weight loss things and eating healthy, right? And you know, like stuff I do on this channel, but mostly this channel is unboxing, cooking, and crafting. But you know, if you guys want to see stuff like that more on this channel, hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for watching this mini unboxing, and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.